Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Updating Apple Mail is not like updating a single app. Apple Mail updates automatically when you update your device's operating system, whether it's macOS for your computer or iOS/iPadOS for your iPhone or iPad. There is no separate Mail app update button. To get the latest version of Mail, you simply update your entire system. On your Mac, open System Settings. If you have an older macOS version, this might be called System Preferences. Click on a General in the sidebar. Then, select Software Update. Your Mac will check for available updates. If an update is found, click Update Now or Upgrade Now to download and install it. This process will update your macOS and bring Mail to its newest compatible version. For your iPhone or iPad, the steps are similar. Open the Settings app. Tap on a General. Then, tap eSoftware Update. Your device will search for new software. If an update is available, tap a Download and install. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery or is plugged in. Always back up your device before performing a major software update to prevent any data loss. Once the operating system update is complete, your Apple Mail will be fully updated with all the latest features and bug fixes. You never need to look for a standalone Mail update.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.